Before you start writing your project or thesis, there is one document that decides whether you move forward or get stuck: your research proposal. And for many students, that's where the struggle begins. But here's the good news. Once you understand what a proposal really is, it stops feeling scary and starts making sense. Let's break it down together, simply, clearly, and step by step. Welcome to Products KE, your academic support partner. Here, we'll help you write smarter, format better, and understand academic work the easy way. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe because this is just the beginning of our research proposal series. In today's video, we'll explore what a research proposal is and why it's such a crucial part in your academic journey. So what exactly is a research proposal? Simply put, it is a formal plan or outline for your research project. A written document that outlines what you want to study, why it's important, and how you plan to do it. It is your chance to convince your supervisor or institution that your topic is worth researching. Think of it like your academic blueprint. Before a contractor builds a house, they must show the plan. That's exactly what your proposal does for your research. The main goal of a research proposal is persuasion. You want to convince your supervisor or department that your topic is worth researching. You're showing that your study is feasible, relevant, and original. It also demonstrates that you understand the existing research and that you can contribute something new to the field. In short, your proposal tells your lecturer, I know what I'm doing, and here's my plan. A strong proposal means faster approval. If you have a weak one, that's endless corrections. For most Kenyan universities, a strong proposal has several key components: an introduction or background, a clear statement of the problem, research questions or objectives, a brief literature review, your proposed methodology, and finally, references to citations. And don't worry, we'll look at each of these in more detail in upcoming videos. Let's first look at the title page. The title page is the very first impression of your proposal. It should include your full research title, short, precise, and clear, along with your name, registration number, department, supervisor's name, and date. You need to keep it professional and neat. For some institutions, they require an abstract before the main proposal. It is a short summary, about 150 to 250 words, that describes what your study is about, why it matters, and how you will conduct it. It gives the reader a quick overview before diving into the details. The introduction section is where you give context. Here, you describe what the topic is about, offer background information, and explain the gap that your study aims to fill. End the section by showing why your study is important and relevant. In the problem statement section, this is where you clearly define the issue your study will address. You want to convince the reader that this problem is real, significant, and worth researching. Be specific and use facts and statistics if available. In the research objectives or question sections, this is where you will give direction to your proposal. So you start with your main objectives, what the study seeks to achieve overall, then list specific objectives that break it down. If you're using research questions, ensure they align with these objectives. In the literature review section, you summarize what other researchers have said about the topic. Highlight key theories, previous findings, and gaps that your research will fill. Your goal is to show that you understand existing knowledge and where your study fits in. In the methodology section, explain how you will conduct your study. Will you use questionnaires, interviews, or experiments? Describe your population. sampling method, and how you will collect and analyze your data. This section should be detailed enough for someone else to replicate your work. If your proposal requires this section, the expected results, briefly state what you expect to find. These are not actual results, just predictions or assumptions based on theory or prior studies. Emphasize how your results will contribute to knowledge or practice. The reference list appears at the end of your research proposal. You need to include every source you have cited in the text, following your institution's preferred style, usually APA, MLA, or Harvard. Accuracy here is critical because this reflects your academic integrity. Now, depending on your institution or department, your proposal may also include some additional sections. For instance, you might have appendices where you include supporting materials like questionnaires, consent forms, or interview guides. You may also be asked to include a budget showing estimated research costs such as printing, transport, or data collection materials. A work plan section is also common. It outlines your activities and their timelines, often presented as a Gantt chart. And most importantly, always confirm with your department-specific guidelines before you start writing. Requirements can differ, so following your department's format ensures your proposal meets all expectations. Okay, now let's look at a quick example. Let's say your topic is the impact of social media on students' academic performance. So why this topic? Because social media use among students continues to grow rapidly. It's now part of everyday academic and social life. What do others say? Existing studies have produced mixed findings. Some suggest social media helps students collaborate and learn, while others say it causes distraction and lowers academic focus. And how will you approach it? By using questionnaires and interviews to collect data directly from students. This structure, showing the what, why, what others say, and how, is a clear and logical way to present your research idea. Clarity is one of the most powerful tools you can have when writing a proposal. When your ideas are clear, you communicate confidence, and that confidence earns approval from your supervisors and review committees. Remember, supervisors can only guide you effectively when they fully understand your plan. So the clearer your proposal, the smoother your research journey becomes. Okay, so let's do a quick recap of what we have covered so far. We have talked about what a research proposal is, why it's important, and the common structure that gives it a strong foundation. We also went through an example breakdown, and finally, we learned that clarity truly equals approval. Remember, the clearer your proposal, the stronger your chances of success. And that's the foundation of a research proposal. It's your academic roadmap before the real writing begins. In the next video, we'll go practical. I'll show you step by step how to format your research proposal in Microsoft Word, just the way most Kenyan universities require. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. See you in the next one.